In today's Doric virtual religious service, we'll be opening in prayer with musical composition 88 and reading Colossians, or Paul's letter to the group in Colosse. We'll begin with Psalm 88. A maester hears a destitute. An ode or a completion to the sons of Korah. For the director, Beherb, to respond for contemplation. To Heman the Israelite. Meester, the Almighty, O my deliverance. I cried out afore ye day and at night. Let my prayer enter afore ye. Lean your lug to my supplication. For my sentient being is filth to all things. On my life approacheth emules. I was counted wi' the ains yon doon into the pit. I become as an incurable chiel, free amo deedains. As ains slain, sleeping in a tomb, for ye dinna mind ony longer. And they were thrusted awa fae out o' your hand. They pit me in a laker-maced pit, in murky places, and in a shadow of death. Upon me your rampage bided, and ye brought upon me all your coat of arms. Ye distanced the ains kenning me fae me. Ye made me an abomination to them, and I have been delivered up, and have nae gone for it. Me een are weakened fae poorness. I cried out to ye, Maester, the entire day, or all the day. I opened and spread out to ye my hands. Will ye dee fairlies for the deed ains? Or will physicians rise up and mock acknowledgment to ye? Will only een a mules describe your mercy and your troth in a croconation? Will your fairlies be made kent in a markness? And your righteousness in a land being nae minito? But I cried out to you, Maester, and at the start of the day my prayer will be wi' ye aforehand. Fit why, Maester, do ye thrust awa my sentient being, and turn your dish fema? I'm poor and in troubles fae out of my bairnhood, but being raised up heek I was humbled and left destitute. Upon me your angers gied, your fruitful thins stromished me. They encircle me as water. All the day they compassed me agither. Ye pit far from me, freeing and nearing, on the ains kenning me, because of misery. And now we'll read Paul's letter to the group of called ones, or those called out in Colosse. Escriving of Paul to Colossians, chapter 1. For Paul, dispatched envoy, or send, or a nitatin Jesus, be Almighty's will, and favor brother Timothy, to all Almighty's folk at Colossae. Were faithful folkies in a nitatin. Mercy and peace be wi' ye. Fae Almighty were Father, and a Maester Jesus a nitatin. In were prayers to Almighty a Father, or Maester Jesus a nitatin. We I thank him for your faith in the Maester Jesus a nitatin. And fu muckle ye lu all were folk. We ken at ye've shown is gran outlook, 'cause you've grasped it fit we call a heavenly hope. A hope at ye first got from a troth was fastened to ye. I the same way, it's coming to folk all over the world. On all way, it's a growing a good crop. Just as it did with Ewings, von first ye heard it, and got to ken fit the mercy of Almighty's all about. Epaphras, at works we is, and is a faithful minister in Anitateen, learnt ye all about it, until 'tis fu muckle ye loo a spirit. Says this fit why, whenever we heard about it, we pray for ye night and day, seeking Almighty, ye may see things from His point of view, begetting spiritual insight and understanding, and at the way ye conduct yourselves may be a credit till your Master's name. Say that ye may fest joy till His heart, be growing to be good living, and at your learning about Almighty, may talk good read. May He strengthen ye wi His estimate might, gain ye poor to pit up with whatever suffering comes your way, and with joy gie thanks till a Father was made ye fit to talk your part with them forbide elect. We maun aye keep in mind at He's rescued His fair poors o' a merk, and set His doon in o' a kingdom o' His dear loony. It's through Him we are setting free and where ill deeds are forgien. He's a image o' Almighty we canna see. He's a Allah's Son coming afore all mortal thing. Through Him all mortal thing was created, in heaven and on earth, things we can see and things we cannot see, power, dominion, authority, rule. All creation was made through Him and for Him. Now He's a head or a body made up of all Christian folk. Life started out for Nathan through Him. He's a Allah's Son raised for a deed, say that we must be amazed a being all. It was Almighty's ain doing, at the Son His, in Himself, a full nature Almighty. Through a Son, Almighty sought to fess a hail of creation back to Himself, by a bleed of His stake. On Ewings, you at eins were hine awa for Almighty, through your ill-doing ways. A very phase Almighty, He's brought back to a fall, by way of a death of His Son, say that He may fess ye till Himself, clean and pure, wi nae faults of all. Ye maun, of course, I be faithful, standing on a firm foon, and nae be shifted awa for a hope o' a guid send. Fit ye've heard, and fit to hail creation's new hearing. I'm a minister o' His guid send, and new I'm suffering for all Ewings as heard a guid send. But I'm rail contented wi mysel. It gies me a chance to finish in my ain sufferings some o' Anita's pains, still to be told for His body. A Doric accordings. 'Cause I'm a minister o' that same Doric accordings, appointed by Almighty, for set me His task to carry out for your benefit. At I may deliver Almighty's word, at great fairly has been heard for folk o' ilka age and ilka generation, but fit is new as clear as dialect to them for Lou Almighty. To them Almighty will gie a vision o' a wonderful splendor o his sacred plan for all folk. Is att sacred, nitatin in you, hope o att estim, te come. It's him we proclaim, warning ilka body we meet, learning all body, all at we can about him. Say ilka body must be brought till Almighty, perfect in nitatin Jesus. Allt fit am working and striving at all a time. We all strength Almighty gizma. Chapter 12. O at ye bit kent fu anxious I am for ye, and for a folkies at Laodicea, for all them at's never settin on my tea, I'm monging for them to be heartened, and bun together in love. O fu I'm monging at ye myth grow stouter, in your understanding and surer, in your grasp almighty. Is why you'll ken Almighty's sacred, and nitatin himself. In a him lie hard all Almighty's treasures, and wisdom, and learning. On lot Matelia, for fear ony chill talk ye in we his fancy speck, though I'm nae near han ye anew. We ye in spirit, fae shoot it, to see fu firm, on foon a faith ye have in nitatin. Say just as ye have gotten nitatin Jesus a master, see at ye walk wi him, read it and big it up in him, stouter in your faith, just as ye've been learned, and be thankful for it. Talk tent for fear ony chill mar your faith, wi highfalutin words, and long-heeded spick. Sick like trout comes fair worldly learning o men, and nae fair nitatin, 'cause it's in o him at dwells a hail o Almighty himself, and thro' him ye've been made hail. Him fas heed a being all, and roller o'er all rollers. In nitatin you are circumcised, nae be ony hun, but be being set louse fae the ill deeds o' a flesh be nitatin's circumcision. Ye took your Saren wi him, just as through his immersion, ye took your Saren o' his death. And in him ye're talking your Saren o' a miracle o' his reason up again to life, all 'cause of your faith in a poor Almighty, for raised nitatin by deed. On youings be indeed in the flesh, 'cause of your ill deeds, on your uncircumcision. Almighty has made ye alive wi him, and has forgien all your ill ways. Blotting out the scrivens o' laws ought we broke, and commandments hanging o'er our heads, talking them all out the road, and nailing them till a stake. And sign drawing out the stung o' all a poor's ranked counter is. He made a strict fairly o' them, overcoming them in his triumph. Dinna lot ony chill think a war o' ye, 'cause of fit ye eat or drink. Unfit na holidays ye haud, or fit ye dee at the new moon or a Sabbath. Sick like is nae mair nor a shadow of fits to come. A solid fact is nitatin. And dinna lot ony chill chet ye o' your joy in nitatin, but persuading ye to hummel yourselves and fall doon and worship sins. Sick a chill puffed up wi his ain bigsiness is poking into things he disna ken nathan about, forgetting all about the head. It's through a head at the body wi all its joints and ligaments is bun together, and gets its mate, and grows as Almighty seeks it to grow. Segin, throw your faith in Anitateen. Ye be deed to arouse is world's life. Fit no why sign are ye I aken as gin ye belong till is world. Fit no why div ye talk heed of folk, from they tell ye ot sick and sick a roll says, dinna touch ot, dinna et ot, dinna hunnel ot. All sick things perish as soon as they're eased. A ken sick rolls seem as gin they have a bit to learnin' aboot them, in their worshipin' o' sins, on their false humblin' o' neglectin' o' a body, but they've nae real value on holdin' ye in aboot. Chapter 3. Say, gin ye be reason we a neetateen, rocks up for a things at our been. For a neetateen sits at Almighty's richt hand side. Fit your heart on fits a bean, nay fits illa warl. Ye see, your deed, on your life is hodden we a neetateen in Almighty. Van a neetateen, fa is where life appears. You'll appear wi him, sharing his esteem. Ye mon dia wa we out pairs o ya, antarois warl. Non-marital sexual intercourse, foolness, feelness, or feelness, oralness, coarse thoughts, hunkering after other folks' gear. 'Cause that's a kind of idolatry. 'Cause of sick things, Almighty's anger will come on them for dinna D 50 tells them. On just mind, Ewings did sick like things eents anon. But nu, ot's all ahind ya. Nae mere anger, wrath, coarseness, fool or feel speck aboot Almighty. Coarse speck aboot other folk. Dinna tell een anither ony less. 'Cause ye've deen awa wi the all sell, on all at it did, and ye've teen on a new cell, renewing itself in the image Almighty. For its new cell, there's nae difference atween Greek nor Yow, circumcised nor nae circumcised, fremd, kyard, slave, or freeman. Anitateen is all, and the Anitateen is in all. Pit on the clays at suit Almighty's chosen folk. His ain, them fa he lose. Be merciful in all ye do. Couthie in your heart. Hummel in your thoughts. Talk fit comes your way. Be patient and pit up wi een anither. For gin ony chill at mis strive wi ya. Just as Anitateen forgied you. Say ye mon do a same. And a bein all, ye mon hae love. To bind all thing together in perfect haleness. Let Almighty's peace reign in your hearts. I hae in mind a fuck, at your called till its peace, i' the ae body. And dinna forget to be thankful, for fit Almighty's deen for ye. Let the Anitateens learning dwell in your hearts, in all its wealth. Learn een anither, and help een anither along a richt road, singing Almighty's praise in psalms and hymns, and spiritual songs, wi joy i' your hearts. And whatever ye do or say, do it in the name of our Master Jesus, thanking Almighty Father through him. Wives, do what your man tells ye, as your Christian duty. Men, lure your wives on dinner lot coarseness set in. Bairnies, I defit your mither and father tell ya, 'cause odds fit I'll make this seeking o' ya. Fathers, dinna aggravate your bairns, for fear they be disjusted. Servants, I defit your master tells ya, nae just to please them befit they can see, but wi' a sincere heart, 'cause ye lue a master. On fitever ye dee, pit your hale heart into it, as gin ye were deeing it for a master, and nae just for some mither chiel, kennin' 'at you'll get your jeest reward fae Almichty, 'cause ye serve a neetateen as your master. Him 'at dis wrong, faiver he mith be, will get fit's comin' till him for fit he's deen wrong, 'cause Almichty kens we're all York Thompson's bairns. Chapter 4. Maesters, mak sure ye treat your servants a richt gate. I hae in mind 'at you yoursel have a master in heaven. Haud in to your prayers. I being watchful and thankful. Mine o' his eens in your prayers. Say Almichty mith gies an open doory for preaching his word about the guid send o' a neetateen, 'cause that's why I'm in the jail anew. Pray sign 'at I mith speak as I should, making it clear to all. Be wise in your dealings with them fa dinna believe, making guid use o' your time. I be douce in your way ye speak till them, but nae mealy mood, and I ken fu to gie the richt answer to fit they speer at ye. Tychicus, my faithful brother, a guid minister, and servant till a maester, will gie ye all a news of fu I'm deeing. That's why I'm sending him till ye, and say he mith find out fu you eens are deeing and gie ye heart. And wi him is Onesimus, een o' your ain folk, and a well-lewed faithful brother he is tee. Atween the twa of them, they'll tell ye all a clake of fit's happening here. Aristarchus, in a jail like mysel, is spearing for ye, and say is Mark, Barnabas' nephew. I've telled ye about him afore. Gin he come to see ye, gie him a guid welcome. Jesus, Justus, is spearing for ye tee. All three are a only Hebrew Christians 'at are working wi me anew, fitting the help they've been. Epaphras, another een o' your folk, and the servant o' a neetateen, sends his greetings. He's aye chavin' awa in his prayers for you eens, seeking 'at ye mith stand fast in the will o' Almichty. I can vouch 'at he pits in hard work for you eens, and for a folkies in Laodicea and Hierapolis. Luke, were dear doctor, and Demas are spearing for ye tee. Tell the brothers at Laodicea 'at we are spearing for them at Nympha, and a congregation or a borough of callings at meet in her house. And after ye've read this letter, mak sure it's read till a borough of callings at Laodicea, and see you eens read a letter I've sent to Laodicea. And say to Archippus, see till it ye finish a job at a maester gied ye to dee. My word to ye be my ain hand. Hae mine almond chines. Mercy be wi' ye. Paul. And that concludes Paul's letter to the group in Colossus. Be sure to get yourself a copy of the Doric New Testament, written by Gordan M Hay, available through Doric Books. You'll find a link below. Until next time, be encouraged, be of good cheer, and endure to the end.